2005 Ford Thunderbird convertible here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This is a soft top, hard top car. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles at just a little over 21,000 is all in this car. Take a look at the front fascia, grille. Underneath the hood, 3.9 liter automatic with overdrive transmission, 5-speed paired up with that. As you can see, paint does show well in this car. It will also include a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan with the purchase, maybe extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. So where you can see all the still pictures. Riding on the factory chrome wheels, also in nice shape. And as you can see up and down the side of this car is not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Blue cloth top is power, functions as it should. It has the dark charcoal or black leather interior with the medium blue inserts. Leather seats, of course, buckets, center console, shifter on the floor, power driver's seat, heated both sides, parade boot or convertible top cover. There's also an extra one in the trunk that's like new. You'll be able to see in the still pictures. Also, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract out to that 10 years, like I mentioned earlier. Owner's manual, window sticker, also included with this car. Originally a California car and on the West Coast before coming to the Midwest. You'll be able to see the window sticker in the still pictures along with everything else. And again, UniqueClassicCars.com. Take a look down this driver's side. Rear to the front, also free of nicks, dings, scratches. Also remember, we do have an open door policy. You can't make it to see this car yourself. Want a third-party inspector to take a look at it, feel free to do so. You'll be able to check out the door tag and with the still pictures also. And as you can see, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, of course, tilt and cruise. Dash looks good shape. No warning indicators on, anything like that. Again, check out the blue seat inserts. Do not see a lot of them in this color. Good looking color on this car. And again, not much wear in the seats, just a bit of the wrinkling from the natural hide. Again, what you'd expect with this kind of mileage and a clean Carfax. Let's go ahead and fire this up and we'll let you hear it run. We're going to take a peek underneath the hood. And then we'll check out the top, see how they look. You'll also be able to take your time looking through the tops with the still pictures there and there. All right, so here's your miles. You can see that 21,684. No warning indicators, check engine lights, anything like that. Set seatbelt warning since I don't have it on. AM, FM, CD player, the 6 CD changer. Stereo works. Electronic dual climate control. Turn that down. Horsepower top switch, heated seats down here. Automatic with overdrive. Rest of the top of the dash. Well, this car was stored indoors, no doubt about that. I've not noticed any modifications, anything like that on this car. Sounds like you'd expect. This would be considered medium steel blue metallic. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. I want to show you the engine bay, incredibly clean also, and then we'll check out those tops. Take a look at the underside of the hood. You can tell this car, again, has not been driven in inclement weather. Started out on the West Coast, originally delivered in California, I believe it was Oregon, before coming to the Midwest. And like I mentioned, incredibly clean, nice tidy engine bay. That's that 3.9 liter V8. Power steering, power brakes, and AC. Alright, let's get this power top up. Check that out, blue cloth. And then we're going to put the hard top on. We'll be done. Here it is with the soft top up. Power top functions as it should. Blue cloth also rolled up the side windows so you can see how nice that fits, along with the top. Free of rips, tears, holes, really much wear at all. Rear glass window, rear defrost. Come around to the passenger side. See the same thing as far as the side glass fitting. Nice and tight above the windshield. And once again, free of rips, tears, and holes. So there's the soft top. Be back in just a bit here. We'll get the hard top on so you can check that out. And we'll wrap up this video. And last but not least, the hard top on. The tool for tightening the front two screws that hold that down is in the glove box along with the owner's manual. And the window sticker, as you can see, side windows also fit nice and tight. We have the portholes. Paint also in nice shape. The rear defrost back here, of course. Around to the passenger side. Also nice fit with the side glass, but yeah, free of nicks or dings, scratches. There it is, 50th anniversary, 2005 Ford Thunderbird convertible. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, just a little over 21,000 miles is all. Both tops, give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Don't forget about that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan that is included with the purchase of this vehicle. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2005 Ford Thunderbird. There's a really nice blue on this car. Of course, it has a removable top. The odometer is showing 21,682 miles, and it does feel like a new car. Good acceleration. All the gauges are working properly. This is an automatic on the center console, easy to shift, easy to drive. Radio works good. It's a nice smooth ride. It's quiet. Those weather seals are sealed up nice. Looked like black leather interior with matching blue on the center of the seat to the car's paint. Blue on the gauge needles. If I let go of the wheel, it's perfectly straight. Down the lane. Brakes are working great. Corner's good. Really comfortable car. Check out this 2005 Ford Thunderbird at uniqueclassiccars.com.